Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you. So this is Friday weekly market क्या लगता है, and this week was a mixed bag kind of a week. Monday was fantastic. We saw Tuesday, Wednesday that was going little odd against my analysis, and one of the stop loss got hit. After that, Thursday was bang on the spot. Today's day was bang on the spot. So in market, the first lesson that we need to remember is that there's nothing 100% right or wrong in market. Whenever you are trading, you have to have your stop loss in place. If at all you feel that the position is now getting sour, just book the loss and or a stop loss and move out of the trade. So it is not going to be something like it's a over for the entire lifespan. It's not, one trade is not going to ruin your entire life if you are managing your position sizing. This is something that we need to keep in our mind. Another important thing is that this particular correction is not like a regular correction. Right now the volatility index VIX is at the lowest level, so naturally option premiums are very on a lower side. The premiums are not inflated, they are at a very reasonable or a lower side. That is actually causing market movement is stuck in a particular range. So even if there is a decline in market, the decline is in a very timid way. It is not exponential, or the decline is not euphoric at this point in time. So we have to understand this part and keep limited targets from the trading point of view. Unless and until the volatility index crosses, let's say 17, 18 or 20 mark, the momentum will not be there. Right now the volatility index is trading at 13.0850. So we still need it to rise by another 5 points. So okay, let's start with Nifty analysis. Now see guys, in the morning, in a brief video in the morning, I had mentioned about Nifty retested its 2023 opening price. Now this was a beautiful scenario. Market always is kind, accommodating. Why I'm saying this is because most of the time we see that, let's say someone who had missed shorting Nifty at the beginning of the year or in between, whenever we got the lower high levels, or let's say on the budget day, let's say someone missed out opportunity to short somewhere here. So all these opportunities which were created somewhere around 18th to 20th of January, if let's say someone had missed these kind of opportunities, still market right now is offering them opportunity to enter. Now this opportunity work in two ways. Number one, let's say if someone is long, so the person who is long can book his positions at the 2023 opening level, which is 18,133 odd level. And in this case for Bank Nifty it was 42,000 level. So 42,000 was the level where someone who is long could have booked his long position and create a short position. So let's say someone who has missed entering the short position could have created a short position somewhere here. Cool. So from these levels, then we crossed below semi-annual pivot, and now we are comfortably at 17,942. Now there is also a possibility. Now let's quickly take you to the Nifty chart. So as per this Nifty chart, as you can see, and I'm removing these targets right now, and we'll come back to these targets at a later stage, because now what has happened, the Dow theory and the structure had changed. So it is wise. Now see this reversal zone, though it exceeds through this zone, but this is like a fake breakout which has not sustained, and now the price is well within the range, also this range. So 18,000 is the range high. Yeah, now this is as per the budget thing. Okay, so let's define range to 18,000 and 17,500. So 18,000 and 17,500. Okay, this is where the range is, and we're going to use this for the next week or so. Yeah, so because the VIX is low and that is also causing Nifty to move in a subtle way. The movements are not happening in a haphazardous way. They are not happening in a 200 300 point, rather the moves are happening in a 100 or let's say 70 50 points per day kind of a moves. So here as well, at this point in time, there is a very good probability that in this particular week we might again go and retest the SAP level. Okay, so that 18,000 or this level of 18,025 where the SAP is, seminal pivot is, these levels are very well possible to get tested, and then from there, from those levels again we should be expected to head towards 17,800. Now this is a strong support which has worked so far very well. So I feel that during this week we should get this target of 17,800 as a first target, and then once we reach to this level, then quickly we might see another 100 point below this level. So 17,700 is very well possible till the expiry on this particular Thursday. This is what my Nifty analysis is. If we are looking at Bank Nifty, in case of Bank Nifty is already below 41,200, which was our important support level. So very quickly Bank Nifty should decline and it should be headed towards a level of 40,500, and after that it should be headed towards 40,000. So these are my expectations, like another 1,000 points fall in case of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is well within the range. The point of reversal, the reversal area, this reversal zone, this worked very well for us. Okay, so if at all bounce is possible, that bounce can be limited to 41,400, 500, and then from those levels we should get a fall. It is not necessary that we might get this bounce, but there is a good amount of probability that if there is a bounce, that bounce can be limited to, for Nifty it can be limited to 18,000 or 18,025, and for Bank Nifty it can be 41,400 to 500 odd level. This is what the expectation is, but then we can expect a quick fall, and below the current level Bank Nifty can give us a target of 40,500. Okay, this is what my expectation is. This is going to be the first target for Bank Nifty. Now similarly for Nifty, if we wish to calculate it, so this target comes to 17,800. We need not mark it, but the second target can be 17,730. Okay, this is your target 2. Okay, and target 1. Target 1 is your 17,800. Okay, so this is how it is going. Now as for the trades that I'm carrying right now, so the first trade that I'm carrying is Bank Nifty trade. This is one trade which I had shared with you in the morning as well. So 23rd February expiry, month end expiry, I'm trading 41,000 call short and a 41,500 call buy. So this trade is slated to give us 24% ROI on the total capital of 1.73 lakh rupees. Currently we are making a profit of around 12,000 rupees on this trade, which is 7% ROI, and the trade is going very well because we are right now below the break-even point, so it is going to be a smooth ride. Another trade which I'm trading is a Nifty trade. This trade is not in a good shape right now. Why this is not in a good shape? For two reasons. Number one, on Wednesday I had bought this hedge 17,800, double the quantity, and along with that I had also bought 18,000 call option to just take an advantage of a gap up opening. So yesterday I had booked both these positions of 17,800 250 quantity, no 500 quantity and 18,500 quantity. So I had booked about 1000 quantity of bank nifty options. So that has generated some profit, but that profit right now is not effectively seen on the terminal. So on the terminal it is looking little offset, but very quickly I think once we are below this level, around 17,600 is a break-even point for this particular trade. 677. Okay, so I'll have to manage this trade somehow. In between I'll have to do some adjustments so that this trade will become more profitable. So Monday's opening, and if at all we get a lower high around 18,000 odd level, that is the place I think I will make some adjustments to this particular trade so that this trade will be in a better situation as compared to what we were expecting. Overall trades are something like this. So this is Bank Nifty 41,000 call short. This is the hedge of 41,500 to this particular position. Then this is a Bank Nifty future trade. This is Nifty future trade. State Bank option I'm holding. I want to cover this on Monday. Then there is this 17,300 call short, and along with that 17,800 which is hedged. And then there is a 17,500 call short, this position. And this is one thing which I had booked yesterday. So that's why this is showing you a good sizable loss over here. This is something that is actually screwing up the total MTM as well, because otherwise the day was very good. The 42,000 put option has given us good sizable profit, and these are all the positions. IndusInd I have booked for some 13 rupees, I believe 13 or little more than that. So this is how the entire trading scenario is, and in this coming week I'm expecting that we should be able to see 17,700 odd level in Nifty. So that will give us a lot of breathing space, and the trades will be comfortable by then. That's it from me for this week. I hope you like this video, and do like, share and subscribe to our channel Growth Module. Thank you so much guys for watching. Have a nice time ahead.